it in neutral. I'm guessing the truck belongs to them two people over there. You can go up and turn the wheels. Now he's lining his wheels up. Maybe I need to turn them out. They're fine. Now he's going to straighten them back up. The only bad thing about having the no headache rack on the bed instead of the headache rack on your truck, like this guy has, he's got the headache rack fixed to his truck instead of fixed to the, usually they're on the edge of the bed, on the front of the bed. But it only takes you one time of figuring out where that truck goes. When you slide it ahead, if it smashes out the bumper or something. Because I had a tow truck driver do that once. He pulled a chassis truck up the bed backwards, not realizing that the penal hitch was caving in the headache rack. So thus, when he folded the bed up and into the position to tow, it caved in the back of the cab and busted out the back window. Oh, there he goes. Just the side story. I'm always full of side stories. Got millions of them. When you drive a tow truck for 30 years, you got a million side stories. Oh. Now he's going to put his chains on, tighten it down. One hook on this side. Is that a Chevy? It's a Colorado, isn't it? Something like that. 'Cause I know it's not a Silverado. It looks like a Chevy Silverado, but it's not.
I think it's a Dakota. It's right there. But the lights are blinking at it, and I can't see it.
Oh. Hey guy's like, what's all the excitement?
No, he's trying to figure out if he can go around the truck.
I think you can.
He
Oh, you
can't.
can't?
This car came by and he jumped the side wheel. He's like, I'm driving a nice car. We'll go around.
We're at 5 minutes.
If you went around the back.
Oh, you can go around the back now the car's gone.
If you had fucking 5 minutes to look at the back of the truck, you could have been at the back. Like this car did. Brains, no brains.
Well, I think this tow's all but done besides these guys talking.
Yep. They gotta pay the guy, but yeah, that's done.
I think he is done. His final chit chat. Oh, he just turned his pump off and his lights off. And he's off. See how close the back of that truck gets to that headache rack? Look at that. It only takes you one time of pulling that truck on too far to realize you've messed up, and you won't do it again. Shouldn't do it again. Anyways, comment, like, and subscribe. If you like something, share it with somebody, they might subscribe. Bye. Did that get me?